Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect JotForm with Google Drive so that uploaded files and form submissions are automatically saved to your Google Drive account. This is really useful because instead of manually downloading files from JotForms every time someone submit a form, everything can be stored automatically inside Google Drive. Let's get started. I'm currently inside my JotForm. For this example, I have a simple form with a name field, an email field and two file upload fields. To connect this form with Google Drive, click the setting button at the top. Then on the left side, click the integrations. Now search for Google Drive and select the Google Drive integrations. If this is your first time connecting Google Drive, JotForm will ask you to sign in into your Google account and allow access. I have already connected my Google Drive account, so I will go straight into the next step. Once connected, click Add Action. Now we can decide how we want our files to be stored inside Google Drive. At the top, you will see the folder name. This is the main folder that JotForm will create inside your Google Drive. By default, it uses the name of your form, but you can change it if you want. Next, enable create a folder for each submission. This is very useful option because it keeps everything organized. Instead of putting all uploaded files into one folder, JotForm will create a separate folder for each person who submits the form. You can also customize the folder name. For example, you can use the submitter's name and the submission date. This makes it much easier to identify file's name. Next, you will see the option to save a PDF version of the submission. When this option is enabled, JotForm automatically creates a PDF containing all the answers submitted through the form and saves it to the Google Drive. After that, select the drive uploaded field you want to send to Google Drive. In this example, I am selecting both file uploads field so that all uploaded files will be saved automatically. Once everything looks good, click Save. The integration is now active. Let's test it. I will open the form preview, enter some sample information and upload two files. Now I will submit the form. Next, let's open the Google Drive and check the folder. As you can see, JotForm automatically created the main folder using the form name. Inside that folder, it created another folder for this submission. Because we customized the folder name, it's easy to identify. When I open the folder, I can see the uploaded files as well as the PDF version of that submission. So everything is being stored automatically without any manual work. Another useful feature is the action log. If you click the three dots next to the integration and select the action log, you can review recent activity and confirm that your files were successfully sent to the Google Drive. One common issue some users experience is that a file saves correctly in my Google Drive, but not inside a shared drive. If that happens, try reconnecting the integration and selecting the shared drive folder directly during setup. Also, make sure your Google account has been permissioned to upload files to that shared drive. And that's how easy it is to connect JotForm with Google Drive. Once connected, your uploaded files and submission PDF will be automatically saved and organized inside Google Drive, helping you save time and keep everything in one place. If you would like to try JotForm for yourself, you will find my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.